What up? Welcome. Today I'm going to be unboxing my new pair of Merrell Trail Glove 5 3Ds. Now, these shoes are zero drop from heel to toe. Take a look at that forefoot area. The side. It says barefoot right on it because this is a barefoot shoe. Here's the back. It's a barefoot shoe because the inside has no sole. It's soleless. This is made out of this knit material, and it's like your foot is in a sandal. No seams on the inside. I think this is going to be really comfortable. This is a minimalist shoe. It's very lightweight, and there's very little in between you and the ground. It's not as thin as the Merrell Vapor Glove. You can't roll this up into a little ball. But that's because the sole is meant for trail hiking. So this is a hiking shoe. Although the upper, I feel like you would beat this up easily on a hard trail. Maybe just light hikes. Maybe you want to wear something comfortable around town while you're running some errands. This is a great option for that. And you also want to go on a light hike later. You want to walk your dog. This is a really good shoe for that. Also has the rounded heel, which I love for driving. It just feels really good. Almost like a race car shoe. I thought these laces were elastic. They are not. They don't stretch at all. They're just solid laces. Well, I'm going to wear these for a while, and then when I'm ready I'll make a review video on them, let you know what's good and what's bad about them. If you have any questions right now, please let me know in the comments below. If you think this video could help somebody you know, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks guys. Create a wonderful day.